Hello everyone, it's Monday, May 17, and the time right now is 8:30 and the temperature is positive 20 degrees Celsius. I am at Kananaskis Country today and I'm going to show you a marvelous viewpoint at the Kananaskis Center. It's just behind the Kananaskis Center. Just look at the view. It's so amazing.
T-shirt like the next day, and I was like, okay. And she's like, yeah, like we had like nobody hardly, and she's like, okay, like yeah, like just go in the pool and like some of those pilings that are white, just like clean them. I'm like, yeah. So I'm like, in the pool for an hour and a half.
Look at the mountains. Wow. And there is a river. This is my first time at Kananaskis Village visitor center. I was wondering what is in the visitor center. So visitor center was closed when I arrived here. So I asked a lady. The lady told me there is a amazing viewpoint. It's just 5 minute walking distance from the visitor center. Now I'm here and I'm so glad that I came here. And all the wildflowers are just ready to bloom. Just see the wildflower, so pretty. They just start blooming. Look at the view. And here the water, sound of water. So there is a village rim trail, and this is the way you can enter the village. And this is the amazing lookout And from the lookout you also can see the Kananaskis course. So if you come to Kananaskis Country Village, don't miss the viewpoint. It's 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 so beautiful. I think this one is the glacier one. And today weather is pretty awesome. And be careful about the black bear, because this is the time for the black bear, and they are all over in the Kananaskis country. And you can also the deer. This is the viewpoint number 2. And I'm going back to the village. And the important thing is from the 1st June, right? From the 1st June, Kananaskis, whenever you enter the Kananaski, you have to pay $90 for yearly, and for the day pass, I think $15 for the day pass. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. And you can hear the sound of nature. There is a deer, I think. Hope I can catch the deer. Wow, wildlife here. Ooh, did you see, guys? That deer. So beautiful. Hello. I'm not gonna disturb her. Good night. Bye. Take care. So here is all the beautiful lodge in Kananaskis Country. They are all open now, and the Kananaskis Village Visitor Center also open. There is a very small amount of ice here, and you can also see the mountain peak from here. Look at the view. I am in front of the visitor center. So here is the Kananaskis Country's Village Visitor Center. Right now it's closed, but the door is open and there is a shop inside the visitor center. Oh, now it's closed. Before I came, it was open. Look at the sky. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going to finish my walk here. Hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.